So, some examples I'm going to discuss. So, this is a tertiary butyl chloride when react with aqueous KOH. Aqueous KOH. Okay, we'll discuss the different common example. Here is R, here is R dash, here is R double dash, for example. Okay, aqueous KOH, if I take the product, there are two products are formed here, R and R double dash and R dash, here OH plus C R double dash, sorry, plus OH R double dash. So this is the example. So here if it is, for example, if this configuration is for example, if it is yes ka R configuration, just now we did na R configuration, okay na, then yeah, so this is also, this is look like these two molecules are same because just chlorine is displaced OH, then remaining is same. So this is also R configuration. So this is called retention of product. Retention of product. And to this product is exactly opposite. Okay now. Here chlorine is like this, here OH is like this. So this is S configuration. This is S configuration. This is inversion product. Inversion of configuration. So if you see the mechanism, then you can understand this SN1 mechanism, right? So here what happened, R and R dash, R double dash and chlorine, right? So here aqueous KOH if you use, aqueous KOH if you use, here what happened, due to bulky groups, here due to bulky groups on alpha carbon, this is alpha carbon, due to bulky groups, general tertiary alkyl halides having alkyl groups at alpha carbon. So due to these bulky groups, here OH will not attack from backside. The nucleophile, OH is nothing but nucleophile, will not attack from backside. So backside attacking is stops. Then how the chlorine is substituted by OH? So due to steric repulsion, repulsions mean bulky groups, OH from backside not attack. So chlorine is first eliminated from the reactant. And forms the carbocation intermediate, R dash, R double dash. Chlorine is eliminated and forms carbocation intermediate. Cation intermediate. This carbocation intermediate hybridization is sp2 and trigonal planar. Trigonal planar shape. Okay, now after formation of this carbocation intermediate, now OH will be attacked because this is a tetrahedral shaped, then carbocation is a trigonal planar shaped. So now there is no repulsion. When the trigonal planar shape is appeared. So in the next case what happened, the nucleophile now will be attacked, and also this is the rate determining step, that is nothing but slow step. So in the rate determining step only alkyl halide is involving, this alcohol is OH, nucleophile is not attacking. So rate of the reaction depends on only this alkyl halide, because in the slow step, rate determining step is called slow step. Okay, now this is also step 1. So in the slow step only alkyl halide is participating but not nucleophile. So rate of the reaction depends on only alkyl halide. So here after formation of carbocation, it is a trigonal planar which is free from steric repulsions. So now nucleophile may be attacked from this side, from back side. With respect to chlorine, this is the front side, this is the back side. So if it is attacked from this manner, okay, from this manner, I am writing the product, we will get to two products. Double dash, and here OH will form, and also here R. If OH attack from this manner, we will get this product. Back side attacking, we will get to this product, OH and R dash, R double dash. Okay. If it is R configuration, this is also R, and if it is S configuration, this is S configuration. Both are look like same. The first two, this and this reactant are same. So we will get to one is 50 percentage, 50% of this and 50% of this. If it is R, it is S. If it is S, if it is R. Okay na? So this is called enantiomers, racemic mixture or racemization takes place in the SN1 mechanism. In the SN1 mechanism, racemization takes place. So this is a mechanism. Here only it is a fast step. Second step is a fast step. So SN1 mechanism proceed through the two steps. SN1 mechanism proceeds through the two steps. Okay, I will go to explain the stereochemistry. Okay, tomorrow we'll discuss about stereochemistry.